Hello children of D.A.V. Moil Public School, Sita Savangi. This is Aarti Agrari, your teacher, welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 4th, subject is social science and our topic is waste management part 1. First of all, I will explain what is waste. Dear children, every time you see a garbage heap, you must be wondering where the garbage comes from. Where does it go? Most of the garbage that you see around is created by human beings. Every day, thousands of tons of waste is thrown out from our households, offices, factories, playgrounds, schools, etc. The waste material mainly consists of papers, broken glass, metal or plastic, goods, vegetable and fruit, peel and leftover food. Animals like cows, buffaloes, horse, camels and dog produce waste around us. Now, I hope you understood what is waste. In recent time, there has been a steady increases in the amount of garbage due to increase in pollution, industries, widespread use of polythene bag and packing. The garbage has become a hazard for human beings, animals, birds and the environment. It pollutes the air, the water bodies and the land. It becomes a breeding ground for germs, mosquitoes, flies and rats that causes disease like dysentery, typhoid, cholera, plague. It also causes foul smell. So, children, it is important not to throw waste material in open areas. Okay, the two main types of waste material are: first is a biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste are dry leaves, vegetables and fruit peels, eggshell, papers and leftover food. They can be converted into harmless substance by dumping them in a pit. This pit is covered with soil and into compost. It can be used as manure. This will reduce the amount of garbage. Children, biodegradable waste is not harmful for our environment because we can change it easily in manure. Children, biodegradable waste is not harmful for our environment, so it is eco-friendly. And this type of waste is easily decomposed by microorganisms. Children, animal and plant waste can be burnt in a furnace to produce biogas that is used as a domestic fuel. Human and animal waste can be covered with soil in rural area. In city, the toilet waste must be washed down the drain and then to the sewage system, where the solid waste is separated and the water is purified. Children, you can see on picture that is biogas plant. Biogas plant is very cheap because we use in this plant cow dung, and this is easily available in village. non-biodegradable waste. Now we will learn non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste means waste are nails, polythene, bag, aluminum foil, waste from building, bridges, roads, etc. Dear children, apart from this, there are so many non-biodegradable waste are present in our surrounding. Rubber and tubes and waste vehicle, waste tire, broken glasses, etc. are harmful and non-biodegradable waste. It cannot be converted into harmless substance, but most of it is recyclable, and we cannot use this type of waste in our home or household fuel. And children, non-biodegradable waste is major cause of air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. See, I am showing a picture. This is picture of waste management. In this system, water from all cities are collected and then solid wastes are separated and water are again purified for reuse. In this way, scarcity of water can be also solved. Children, in next class we will learn about recycle of non-biodegradable waste. Now I am giving assignment. Here are two questions. Read carefully and write answer on your notebook and show me. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.